does. So let's place one here and one here. Bone meal, and it makes a big one. Bone meal. Give me delicious goodies. 2. And now I have a meal for life. And plus, what's that diggy holding? A new mushroom growing area. Even better idea. And since I got 2 now. Yeah, I was right. Secret mushroom farm. So now that I have these mushroom giving miracle men, let's get rid of this. Oh, so you get. Come on. Where are my goodies? Give me my mushrooms. Come on. I know you want to give me my mushrooms. My mushroomies. So yeah. But now this is completely destroyed, I might as well make it. I might as well break all of it and make a new one. That's how you make an effective mushroom farm in 1.0. Let's go. 13 brown. Do that. Put a mushroom down. Dun 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 dun. Well, back from a day's hard work. You enjoy that mushroom island, my little friend. Well, I got mushrooms from there now. I grew them and then I got them. Big mushrooms. Dun dun. And later, if you want me to, post in the comments. If you do, I shall show you how to make a mushroom lighthouse with nothing but mushrooms, glowstone, and bone meal. You need a lot of it to follow the tutorial. However, is it a what is that? Do you see that? A spinny thing. I'll eventually get it later. Alright, now to open that door. These things are scary. You're right, look. It's blah 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 blah. Okay, so I'll get 5. So let's cook them up in the old oven. The old oven. Put on ward. Not that. No, no. Yeah, wrong song. I'll begin improving. Three, 4, 5. Has this uploaded yet?